So this is going to be a quick video looking at a couple of the lessons we've gone through in the past. So we're going to start off with, a short story for 4 to 5 year olds. Make it creative. Whoops, missing the A. And make it readable in 1 minute. Include, and this is going to be geared towards a classroom, so we can put in dinosaurs is always a classic. And we'll put in letters. And we'll put in sunshine, rainbows, and we'll put in something like Argentina. And we'll let that run. So with GPT 3.5, this would be really quick, but we're purposely doing it in GPT 4 because we're going to jump around into different GPTs. So we can see the story, it's coming out, it's nice, it's creative, it's short, and then we're going to jump over. So we're going to say from now at Cosmic Dream, and this is in my pinned chats along the side here. Or my pinned GPTs. So we'll jump over here and we'll say, make this into an image. And so this is one of the really nice things about going and having the GPT store, is that if you find GPTs that you like, you can always pin them, or if they're in recently used, sometimes they'll work, but then you can jump in between them to do specific tasks that they are geared towards. So I could have used GPT-4 and asked it to generate an image, but Cosmic Dream is really good. So that's why I jumped over there. And so we get this great image, and it has a lot of the features that we mentioned. I don't know if this is supposed to be Argentina. Yeah, look, it says here. I've created an image that brings the story to life, featuring Dino and his friends on their colorful adventure through Argentina in search of hidden letters. So this works out pretty well. It'd be great if there were a couple more letters in here. I could work to refine this, but I'm just going to continue for the purposes of this video. So now that we've done Cosmic Dream, we're going to jump to another one, which is Coloring Book Hero. And both of these are actually made by ChatGPT. There are plenty of others that do images. There are plenty of others that do coloring books, but we're going to go with this one. Okay, so we'll go into Coloring Book Hero using the @ symbol. We're going to wait for this one to create the image. And if we're lucky, it'll be very similar to this, and it'll just be a coloring page. So let's see. And there we go, right? So it's not exactly the same image, but pretty darn close. And now it's coloring page. I found with these coloring pages, some areas can be a little bit too dark, but this one seems like a reasonable one, especially if we're using something like colored pencils. Okay. And then the last GPT we're going to jump to is this lesson planner. This is not made by ChatGPT. There are a couple, as you can see, that I've checked out recently, but we're going to go with this just lesson planner. It's the easiest one to remember, and it's pretty good. And we'll say, make this into a short lesson plan. Make it student-centered learning. Right. Good thing. It asks me certain things. So 4 to 5 year olds. Okay, and you can see here it changed, create an inquiry-based lesson plan. That's a little bit different. The other lesson planner tool here I found worked a little bit better for certain things, but this is really nice, right? So the title, Dinosaur Adventure in Argentina, it pulled from everything we've already done. And then we have the length, which I could have specified, or I could continue to specify, but I didn't. Some target objectives, success criteria, materials, and an explanation. So we could continue. We can go back into regular GPT-4. We could stay in the lesson planner. We can go into other GPTs, but this is just an idea of how you can jump from one to the next, and it addresses education as well. So that's it for this one. Thank you.